Hoop tutorial! Woo! Here's how to do a basic escalator variation in less than 4 minutes. There are so many different escalator variations, but in this video I will explain how to do a beginner one that looks like this. Take the hoop in your right hand, thumb pointing up, and use momentum to hinge the hoop to your back like this. Fold the hoop about your shoulders so the hoop is in front of you. Your thumb will go from pointing up to pointing down. Slide the hoop down your legs and step your left leg out of the hoop. To go back up the escalator, the components of the move are reversed. Here's a view from the back showing the movement. To go back up the escalator, you step through the hoop as you swing it towards your left leg. Slide the hoop up the body and hinge the hoop back into the starting position. Try this a few times until the pieces of the move flow together as one movement. Once you've got it down with your right hand, let's try it with your left hand. Holding the hoop in your left hand, thumb pointing up, use the momentum to hinge the hoop to your back. As you slide the hoop through your body to your legs, your thumb will go from pointing up to pointing down. Once the hoop is at your legs, step your right leg out of the hoop. To go back up the escalator, the components of the move are reversed. Here's a slow view from the back showing the movement. Run through this move with both your left and right hands, changing the direction of the basic escalator as you practice, moving cohesively, from one to the other. I'll now show you a couple transitions for this move. The first is the horizontal fishtail move into the escalator. You can do this with either your right or left hand. Another is going up the escalator into a horizontal behind the back pass. I add a couple turns to make this move a little bit fun, That's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!